All right, hello, David Bradley here. I'm in, indeed, the TV room. I am. And I have here, great. Why can't something not fall? Oh dear, okay. This cable does not do me any good. Anyway, at this moment, there we have a Commodore PET. And I'm going to connect it to a 2031 disk drive. Oh, you know what? Let's turn this back on and back off. Oh, interesting. All right. Let me have a look at this.